In soft moonlight I see you near. Your gentle touch dispels my fear. Whisper love into my ear. In your arms I'm home, my dear. Paris streets hold stories sweet, under stars where hearts do meet. Every step, each winding street, by your side, the world's complete. Oh, sing to me a love so deep, promises and whispers keep. In your eyes, lost in this sweep of romance, forever we'll sleep. In cafes with soft violins, our love dances in soft spins. With your laugh, my heart begins to feel the warmth that love wins. Hold my hand as we walk slow. In your heart, I feel a glow. Years may pass, but this I know: in your love, I'll always grow. Oh, sing to me a love so deep, promises and whispers keep. In your eyes, lost in this sweep of romance, forever we'll sleep. As we walk slow, in your heart I feel a glow. Years may pass, but this I know: in your love I'll always grow. Oh, sing to me a love so deep, promises and whispers keep. In your eyes, lost in this sweep of romance, forever we'll sleep. Forever we'll sleep.
Soft winds whisper your name. Silent stars start to twinkle. Heartbeats echo the same. Love's spark makes me tingle. Dear, write me a song, soft and calm, all night long. Feet can dance, hearts can sway together till the break of day. Night wraps us in its arms. Calm waves kiss the shore. In your love there's no harm. Forever asking for more. Dear, write me a song, soft and calm, all night long. Feet can dance, hearts can sway together till the break of day. When you're near, all fears fade. Love remains, never to wait. In the silent serenade, our love unchained, uncontained. In your eyes moonlight gleams, soft touch in the night, love woven in our dreams. Together it feels so right. In your eyes moonlight gleams, soft touch in the night, love woven in our dreams. Together it feels so right.
In your arms I find peace, whisper soft like the breeze. Every touch a sweet release, time stands still with such ease. Eyes that draw me near, heartbeats calm every fear. Love so pure, so clear. In your song I hear, you are my oasis of love, my calm, my star above. Every note fits like a glove, relaxing tune of my heart, my dove. Hands that hold me tight, in your warmth I'm alright. Glow so gentle a light, guiding me through the night. You are my oasis of love, my calm, my star above. Every note fits like a glove, relaxing tune of my heart, my dove. Together we find our way, in the melody we sway. Every word we don't say is a promise that I'll stay. Every note fits like a glove, relaxing tune of my heart, my dove. Your heart, I feel a glow. Years may pass, but this I know, in your love I'll always grow. Oh, sing to me a love so deep, promises and whispers keep. In your eyes, lost in this sweet of romance.